Man can handle almost anything except being disrespected by the woman he's chosen. He stops giving freely because why would he pour into someone who treats him like he's not enough? When she stops seeing his effort and his discipline, when she starts taking shots at his character or questioning his decisions in front of others, that's not ego. That is self-preservation.
This is where I want to slow us down. When she says respect, most women, some wives, I would say most, hear manners, right? As in being polite. But a driven, provider-minded husband like yours hears something much deeper, right? There is something that women obviously will not be able to fully understand on this topic. So what a man hears, he hears, am I still seen as capable? And that loss of respect often shows up very specifically when he is undermined, when he is corrected publicly, when decisions he carries are second guessed in front of others, when his effort is minimized instead of acknowledged. These are things that you may not realize, dear wife, as disrespectful to a man. See, that's when it starts to hit him at his core. But even that phrase, his core, needs translating, right? His core. What does that mean? For a provider minded husband, right? A man, his core is, as some would think, not ego, right? Some people would say, oh, that's ego. I've heard that myself many times. But here's what it is. It's identity. It's a place where your husband, where he asks, am I competent? Am I trusted? Am I enough? When that identity is quietly eroded, especially by the woman whose respect matters most, his wife. Most men, well, some might, but he doesn't argue. He doesn't plead. He withdraws. Or he may argue and so on, but then he eventually withdraw, right? And I've seen it. I know in my own relationship, been married for 40 years since 1985. I can tell you from first-hand experience when I've had those moments. Thank God, after 40 years, you would think, and with God's help, it's very minimal. I can't recall the last time I felt that way, but I cannot say I have in the past. Because continuing to show up when having experienced that or disrespect, to feel humiliated is not something that a man does. You know, the old ways, especially living in a modern progressive culture, the old way says if I correct him enough, he'll improve. I'll just browbeat him into improving. No, that doesn't work. I mean, you may have found out by now, right? The new way says if I restore respect, he will re-engage. And you don't motivate a man with pressure. I'm telling you, you don't motivate a man with pressure. You invite him back with honor, with respect. Now, if you're listening and thinking, you know, I want to restore closeness without losing my voice. Well, dear wife, I created a free guide for you. It's called 7 Simple Conversations to Rebuild Closeness. These conversations are designed to rebuild safety, not reopen wounds. So here's a question that I have for you. And if you want that, by the way, you can have it by going to buildyourhappiermarriage.com/closeness and request your free copy. So here's a question I want you to sit with. I would love for you to comment on. Here's a question. When husbands pull back, is it about indifference or is it about dignity? Which would you say? I'd love to hear in the comments, so make sure you drop your response in the comments so we all can learn together through a dialogue.